spices. Every other week I buy a rotisserie chicken, so I have chicken to put on my salads throughout the week, but then I am left with the chicken carcass or leftover chicken. So in today's video I'm going to share with you what to do with it. We are going to make a delicious Thai dish called chicken coconut curry soup. It is made in the Instant Pot and it is one of my husband's favorite soups. So let's go spice things up. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my chicken carcass and I'm going to put it in, but I'm going to break it up. Next, I'm taking just enough water that it covers the chicken, which is about 6 cups. Now we're going to get the lid and put it on. Turn it to sealing. Next, I'm going to turn on the soup broth button, and we want to cook it for 25 minutes. So it's going to count down from 25 all the way to 0, and then we are going to do a natural release for 15 minutes. A little side note is we serve our soup over some rice. Alright, so now we're going to just take our chicken and set it aside in a bowl. And of course make sure all the bones are even out. Just make sure you get everything out of the pot. Alright, so I just turned it off and I'm turning it on saute. Alright, to the pot we are adding our vegetables. So these are carrots that I sliced. So you want to kind of slice them into sticks and then just put that right in the pot. 1 green bell pepper, and the same thing, I sliced these. And then a half of an onion, and these do not even have to be cut perfectly, but you do want to cut them and put that in as well. Next we are adding 2 tablespoons of green curry paste, which is about a half of a jar, and 1 tablespoon of curry powder, 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. You'll want to add 2 tablespoons of fish oil, and I have it on less heat, and you'll just want to stir it every so often too. Now you'll want to add 2 red chilies. These are really spicy and hot, so 2 is all we need. It's the perfect amount. If you like things super spicy, you can go ahead and add 5. Next you will want to mince 4 garlic cloves. You'll want to juice 1 lime. You'll want to grate about 1 tablespoon of fresh ginger. Now we're going to add about 3 lime leaves into it. You will want to just break them apart like this and put them in. And then salt and pepper. Now we're going to add 1 can of coconut milk to it. If you like a lot of coconut milk, or if you have a lot of chicken, you can add 2 cans, but I like to add just 1. And stir it till the coconut milk kind of dissolves into it. Alright, that looks good. And now we are just going to add our chicken back into it. Make sure you don't get any bones or skin or fat, and just put it right back in. And then lastly, I'm just adding some fresh cilantro that I got from my garden and I already chopped up. And I'm going to turn it off the saute and turn it onto the keep warm, so it can be nice and warm for my husband when he gets home from work.
Sweet and spicy at the same time. So good. So many flavors.
Well, if you'd like to see any more videos, click this link or this link. If you'd like to subscribe, click my face. And remember, I'm always here to help you make beautiful memories through food. Bye, and see you in the next video.